What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thought I would do a video here in the car like I used to. Just take it back to old times, you know, for memories. Hashtag reminisce or whatever. Anyway, today I wanted to talk about something. I'm doing some errands right now. I was driving out of the neighborhood and I saw something that inspired me. And I thought, what would I do? If you watched my last video, you saw kind of my plan for becoming wealthy. And one of the items in that plan is to start a business, and most likely it'll be back on eBay or resale business of some sort, because I know the area, I know how to do it, I'm seasoned in it, and I don't think that I'll have too much of a problem being successful in it. And as I was driving out of the neighborhood, I thought to myself, what would I do like if I truly was just zeroed out, no money at all, no inventory, no nothing? How would I get it done? And this isn't just eBay, this is just resale, this is hustling, flip, that kind of thing. What would I do? Step one, get yourself set up with an eBay account, you know, because obviously that's what you need. Or a Facebook Marketplace, or an OfferUp, or whatever platform you want to sell on. Okay, step two, find some inventory. And this is where a lot of people think that there's not just money laying around everywhere. And there is. The problem with the hustle is not finding inventory. The problem with the hustle is listing and selling that inventory. That's the bottleneck. So step two, find some inventory. Where could you find some inventory if you had no money at all? Your own stuff, you could sell that. And I know that that's a cop-out because everybody says that. That's their first thing that everyone always says, oh, start an eBay business by selling your own stuff. But they wouldn't say it if it wasn't true. Most of us have tons of stuff laying around that we don't need. You could sell that and generate a little bit of cash to get started, get some inventory, get a cash roll going. If you just don't have anything, let's say you live in a cardboard box and you don't have a possession to your name, chances are good you're not watching this video, but let's just say hypothetically, check the curb. People throw things out on the curb all the time. Check your local area, your local cities and nearby towns for bulk trash pickup, because a lot of towns have bulk trash once a month or once every however long, and people put their stuff out there. Oh, check this out. For those of you that say there's not just money laying on the ground, look at all this stuff. There's definitely a turd or two that you could polish in there and turn over into some money. Look at this. Just another example. Stuff laying on the curb, ready for pickup. That's money. That's money in the bank is what that is. Get out there and get it. Get out there and get it. So check the curbs. It might not be eBay type items, but it'll be large items that you could sell on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace and generate some cash, which you can then roll into inventory that you can then sell on eBay. At that point, I would hit thrift stores. And the reason why I would hit thrift stores is because they're plentiful. Most areas that I know have lots of thrift stores. If you don't have thrift stores in your areas, check yard sales. I also do yard sales, but yard sales are pretty run in my area, and so there's not a whole lot of stuff. Thrift stores are pretty good in my area, so that's what I do. You have to know your local area and be able to get into the niche little spot which you can find your little treasures, your little items that you can flip. What step am I on? Step three, I think. Once you have some inventory, figure out a place to store that inventory, whether that's your garage, your bedroom, your closet, you rent a storage unit, whatever it is. The most important thing is, if you're going to make this into a business or a solid side hustle, you have to scale, okay? The first time that you sell something for a profit, do not spend that money. Okay, if you take $50 and you turn it into $100, you take that full $100 and you put it right back into getting more stuff and you scale. And you do that as fast as you possibly can, as many times over as you can, buying things that will sell as quickly as you can. I have a video on this channel called Quick Nickel versus Slow Dime. I'll take a quick nickel every single time because of that reason, because of scale. When you eventually hit a point that you're not running like that, but in the beginning when you're building a business, it's all about scale, ramping up as quickly as possible, getting to the point where you have money coming in on a regular basis so that you can start taking a paycheck. So step one, get yourself set up. Step two, find inventory. Step three, list that inventory and figure out a place to put it so that you can sell it. Step four, repeat. And that, oh, spit on my lens. Step four, repeat. Repeat as many times as you possibly can repeat it, in as much volume as you can repeat it in, with as high a dollar amount as you can repeat it in. Does that make sense? I don't even know if that makes sense. And that's what I would do. And that's what I'm going to show you today. Hello, I'm here. That's going to be annoying because it's motion activated and doesn't know that I'm here. Welcome to the new HQ. So, we talked about scale. All of this was done in maybe a month and a half. Maybe not even that. I went from 0 to all of this. And more than that, I also own this unit too. And if you look, oh, where's my keys at? If you look, I have an organizational system that we'll go over later and we'll talk about once we get squared away. But the whole point of doing this is to make money. The whole point is to scale as quickly as possible. This is dark, but that's my unsorted inventory. I have completely filled it up with bulk trash, thrift store, bulk trash. This whole entire unit is almost bulk trash. Almost all this stuff here, sorted bulk trash. Some thrift store stuff, yellow tubs from Home Depot, of course. And all of this crap right here, this is all listed inventory. And this is my section right here of things that I already have listed, itemized, numbered, weighed, packed, and ready to sell and make me money. So, if I had to do it all from scratch, that's how I'd do it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Ask questions if you have any questions. Ugh, God, this light's annoying. Ask questions if you have questions. I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll make videos on the questions even. This is a new series that I'm going to be doing. Just the rise of my business, the rise of my eBay hustle, so that I can start building some wealth. Once you get to this point, once you're making some money, once you've got some things selling, diversify. Once you get to the level of having some income and having some things coming in, diversify that income. I'm taking 25% of my net proceeds, my net profit here before I pay myself, and I'm putting that into other avenues, stocks, eventually real estate, that kind of thing. And that's going to basically hedge my ability to keep going without having to rely on just one egg in one basket. Multiple streams of income, guys. That's what it's all about. This is stream 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.